How to start your business the right way. 10 easy steps. Starting a business can be an exciting and fulfilling experience, but it can also be overwhelming and daunting. To make the process less daunting, it's important to break it down into smaller, manageable steps. Here are 10 easy steps to guide you through starting your own business. Business idea. This is the first and most important step. Consider your passions and interests and think about how you can turn them into a viable business. Conduct market research. Once you have identified your business idea, conduct market research to understand the demand for your product or service and identify potential competitors. Write a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It is essential for securing funding and keeping you on track as you start and grow your business. Choose a legal structure. You will need to choose a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or LLC. Register your business. Register your business with the state and obtain necessary permits or licenses. Name and branding. Choose a memorable and professional name and branding that reflects the values of your business. Business bank account. It's important to separate your personal and business finances by setting up a business bank account. Develop a marketing strategy. Develop a marketing strategy to attract and retain customers, such as social media marketing, email marketing, or advertising. Hire employees, optional. If your business requires employees, hire and train them, develop job descriptions, conduct interviews, and create an employee handbook. Launch your business. Host a launch event, reach out to your network, and promote your business through various channels. Starting a business can be challenging, but by following these 10 easy steps, you can simplify the process. Remember to stay focused on your goals, be persistent, and seek help and guidance when needed. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your business idea into a successful venture. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss out on our latest content.